Hi, I'm from an award-winning financial company. We've helped over 25,000 people just like you become financially successful. And today, I am going to show you what it takes to master your money so that you can live a life of financial wellness. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to achieving financial success. It's a journey that is as unique as you are. So here are 5 key steps you can take to master your money and build a solid financial future. No. 1. Define your financial vision. The first step to mastering your money is to get clear on where you want to go. You can't start if you don't know what you're working towards. Take some time to think about your financial vision and set some goals. What does financial wellness mean to you? Is it having enough money to retire early? Maybe it's buying a home or paying for your children's education. Maybe it's starting a business or making regular charitable donations. Whatever your financial goals may be, write them down and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to financial success. At Company Name, we believe in empowering our clients with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed financial decisions. That's why we offer complimentary, no-obligation, financial planning and investment consultations with our team of experts. During these consultations, we work with you to develop a personalized financial plan that takes into account your unique circumstances and goals. Our experienced financial professionals will guide you through the process, helping you identify areas where you may be able to improve your financial situation and achieve your long-term objectives. We also provide investment advice specific to your needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, generate income, or preserve your capital, we can help you develop an investment strategy that meets your financial objectives. What sets us apart is our commitment to providing ongoing support and guidance. Once we've developed your financial plan and investment strategy, we'll continue to work with you to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. We understand that your financial needs and goals may change over time, and we're here to help you navigate those changes successfully. Don't wait any longer to take control of your financial future. Contact us today to schedule your complimentary consultation and start your journey towards financial success. Number 2. Create a budget and track your spending. Creating a budget and tracking your spending is essential for mastering your money. By understanding where your money is going, you can make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources and achieve your financial goals. Start by tracking your expenses for a few months to get a clear picture of your spending habits. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to categorize your expenses and identify areas where you may be able to cut back. Once you have a good understanding of your spending patterns, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Set spending limits for each category and track your expenses regularly to ensure that you stay on track. By creating a budget and tracking your spending, you will be able to free up more money to invest in your future and achieve your financial goals. Remember that it's important to be patient and consistent with your efforts. It may take time to develop new spending habits and adjust to a new budget, but the long-term benefits are worth it. Number 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a crucial part of mastering your money. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and can prevent you from going into debt when financial challenges arise. Start by setting a goal for your emergency fund. A good target is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in case of an emergency. Next, determine how much you can contribute to your emergency fund each month. Even small amounts can add up over time. Automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck to your emergency fund account. This way you won't even notice the money is missing from your paycheck. As you build your emergency fund, make sure it's easily accessible. Keep your emergency fund in a separate account from your other savings and investments, so you don't want to accidentally dip into it. When building your emergency fund, consider factors such as your income, expenses, and health insurance coverage. If you have a high income or low expenses, you may be able to save more for your emergency fund. Similarly, if you have a comprehensive health insurance plan, you may need less in your emergency fund for medical expenses. 4. Invest for the future. Investing is essential for growing your wealth and securing your financial future. To invest wisely, start by educating yourself on different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or something else? How much risk are you comfortable taking on? Consider working with a financial advisor who can help you develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of assets across different industries and geographies. This can help reduce your overall risk and maximize your returns. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it stays aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Don't let emotions drive your investment decisions. Stay calm and focused on your long-term financial objectives. By investing wisely, you can grow your wealth and secure your financial future. 5. Protect yourself and your family. Protecting yourself and your family is a crucial aspect of mastering your money. It ensures that your loved ones are financially secure in the event of an unexpected event. Start by evaluating your insurance needs, including life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, and property insurance. Determine the coverage that would provide your family with the financial protection they need in the event of an emergency. Consider factors such as your income, expenses, and dependents when determining the right insurance coverage for you. Review your insurance policies regularly and make adjustments as needed. Your insurance needs will change over time, so it's important to review your policies at least once a year to ensure that you have the right coverage in place. Work with an insurance broker who can help you find the best coverage at the most competitive rates. An insurance broker can help you navigate the complexities of insurance and ensure that you have the right coverage in place for your unique situation. By protecting yourself and your family, you'll have peace of mind, knowing that you're financially prepared for whatever life may throw your way. And remember, mastering your money is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and living a life of financial wellness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. For more tips on personal finance and financial wellness, visit our website or follow us on social media. We wish you all the best in your journey to financial success.